Valutrades. Welcome to the Valutrades Basic Trading course. This is a series of videos designed to launch the journey of beginning traders in every aspect of trading with Valutrades. In this video, let's take a look at an introduction to scalping. If you have seen our videos on styles of trading, you will have seen that scalping consists of trades made on lower time frames that are opened and closed within seconds or minutes, as opposed to hours or days. Ironically, many scalping strategies can be identical to your favorite day trading or swing trading strategies, and we will look at strategies in later videos. There are, however, some important differences. You must have the time to monitor your charts and follow constant technical analysis. You should only trade pairs with low spreads. Scalping is not for the beginning trader, and you should practice on a demo account before you risk any funds. You need to be able to identify busy trending sessions and/or active ranging sessions. So, what do we mean by pairs with low spreads? Fortunately, Valutrades has some of the lowest spreads in the business, which means that you have a larger variety of pairs to trade. A rough rule of thumb is that the spread on any given pair should not be more than 4% of the daily average true range. Let's look at an example or two. Euro-New Zealand dollar is a pair that you might not trade very often. To determine the spread on any pair, simply right-click on Market Watch and select Spread. You can see that the spread on Euro-Kiwi is 10 points. Now, under Indicators and Oscillators, select Average True Range and leave the setting at 14 days. Ensure that you are on the daily chart and hover over the line chart to see today's level. So, the 10-point spread divided by the 171-point Average True Range, ATR, is 5.8%, which is higher than our 4% limit. We would say then that Euro-Kiwi might not be suitable for scalping, as any open positions would take too long to cover the spread. Let's try Euro-Swiss franc, where the spread is a tiny 2 points and the ATR is 64 points. That gives us a difference of 3.1%, which we would consider suitable for scalping. Of course, Valutrades has many more pairs that are considered US dollar majors with very high market liquidity and often with low spreads of 0 or 1 point, which makes scalping much less stressful. That's all for now. In the next lesson, we will be looking at scalping market types. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you soon. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.